For student and parent, don't skip this video. This video is for you. This is Malawi National Examination Board Examination Result Portal. You need to have the examination number and date of birth of the student in order for you to check the result. In the examination number, enter your examination number without any space. Don't allow or add any space when writing your examination number. After that, you need to click on this box here so that you can set up your date of birth. Set your date of birth here. After that, you need to click on this set. Okay, after that, click on the search result so that you can see your result. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button, like this video and share this video to more. And if you want to check your result and you don't understand how to check, send me your examination number and date of birth, or comment in the comment section your examination number and date of birth, and then I will help you to find your result. Okay, thank you and see you on the next video.